How you going, guys? Welcome back to another episode. From where we left off, we finally got the chaser running, and I was meant to make a video of like the first drive with Tom and like how he was tuning it just for the run-in tune, but I forgot my camera and it was all a bit rushed. Like he didn't have a really big window of opportunity to actually do it for long, so I had to quickly rush and forgot the camera. So right now I'm going to take it for a decent drive. We did have some issues with it. For example, it had a coolant leak, which was that water neck there was just leaking out. I don't know why, so I've put some sealant on that. I'm having dramas with the Siltech idle air control valve. It just doesn't seem, it just does its own thing, and I've been told, oh, you got to tune it, but Tom's already had a look at it, and it's like it's doing its own thing. It's not even reading on the Haltech. So at the moment, I've just got it unplugged and one of the vacuum lines off, so it does still idle fine. It's just I might just have to put the old style back on. So where is it? So I've just got to put the old idle air control valve back on and run it just back into the intercooler piping. So we'll get it out finally, get it onto the street, and I can put the bumper back on. Because when I drove it in here, I don't know if I set it on camera or not. I cracked the bumper up good. Fucking static line. You know, I just got this bumper repaired and I went to drive into his driveway and just cracked it. So yeah, we'll put it back on the street, put the bumper back on, and finally go for a decent drive. And also the brakes needed re-bleeding, so I had to do that. That's like fucking nut shit. Yeah, it's that. So Tom has put a 4,000 rev limiter. So shut the revs.
It doesn't even know what to do.
So yeah, I can't rev it past
4K.
4K.
Yeah.
The brakes still feel fine.
Yeah, you can feel it start to kick in.
Yeah.
So, bad or what?
Yeah, it's doable. I can fix it tomorrow.
Lefty?
Yeah.
So you can feel third start to reel.
Damn, Jaden, go crazy.
bloody drives proper good. A lot better than before. There's no tail shaft vibrations, there's no anything, it sounds good. There's a few little things I got to sort out still, but overall, fuck, it's good to have it back on the road. If you just want to know more information about the Chaser, there is, if you don't know, there's a site called BUILDZ.PRO, and what they are is that you can buy these little stickers that when you cover over your phone, you could bring you up to my page that would show you everything that I've done to the car, all my mods, and just pretty much I'll post on there if I do something new or anything. So you got to go to your phone and make sure that NFC is turned on. So what you could do, you hover your phone over the chip, and what it'll do, if it loads, it'll bring up my BUILDZ.PRO page when it loads. So what it'll do, it'll bring it all up. It'll have all the information about my car, what's been done to it, all the mods that are on it, and everything just by searching up that. So it's really good when, say if you're at a car meet or something and you really want to know about the person's car, you can just, if they've got BUILDZ.PRO, they'll have that little sticker on their car and you can go in and look without having to ask the person like millions of questions about it. So if any of you are interested in something like that, or if you're interested in BUILDZ.PRO and their app, I've got the link in the description, and I've also got a link where you could go and buy that little sticker, and it'll also be a link for my actual BUILDZ.PRO page. So if you're interested in knowing what's been done to my car, you can just click on that link and I'll have all my information. So that's gonna do it for this episode. At the moment I'm just doing the running, so for the next couple 100 Ks I'll just be driving it. So probably won't be another video until I've done the run in tune, then I can finally do the power run. So the next video will be it making the full power, and once I've buttoned everything up it'll be good. Then I'll make a video of it driving, walk around and tell you everything that's on it. So look forward to that. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for the next one.